out in Mumbai. My last assignment was a senior manager human resources with Secura India. So when I had started my career, I understand that competency mapping is something that's related to various disciplines in HR, be it talent acquisition, be it learning development, be it comp and ben, and in a very big way associated with performance management systems. So my experience throughout, which has been a mix of operational as well as strategic HR, is with whether it's small organizations, big organizations, reputed organizations, or organizations who are not that much heard of in the market, the methods are still evolving. There is, a lot of talks about, doing this and that, but then there is a lot of difference between, what the HR team wants, what the business wants, and what the management wants. So, and as such, we have a lot of other techniques also, which are associated with the development of the people. So for me, competency mapping was always interesting because to me it made sense. It relates to more than one discipline in HR, and if you have that, you can actually connect it to the business, to all the disciplines of HR. And for now, HR is also evolving. It's not just about it being a support function or a cost center. The business wants it to earn its seat at the table. We have to speak the language that the business has, numbers, data, rather than emotions or instincts. So that was one of the reasons there. While I was researching, I like the curriculum of CHRMP, the timeline, the way it would be conducted, as well as the reasonable cost. Hence, I pursued the competency mapping course from CHRMP. So I always had this perception of how competency mapping is done, and I was always curious how is basically the reason I actually enrolled for the program is I wanted to have some practical exposure as to how competencies are mapped. How do you reach that process? So getting that knowledge, doing practical exercises during the lecture, then corroborating that with the videos that we watched, the quizzes that we gave. I'm very much hoping that I'll get a chance to apply that practically. So that was really very fascinating. Definitely, definitely. Why not?